stopped in traffic. I had to pee so bad. I was like, screw it. I timed it perfectly. As soon as we inch forward, stop, inch forward, stop. So I inch forward, stop, set the brakes, went in the back. I had my pee bottle all ready. I screwed the cap. And I couldn't fill it all the way up. I could have filled up 2 pee bottles, but I filled it up to the top and screwed it back on. I just took the pressure off my bladder, and I couldn't make it room. We got a little bit more room to work with now. Yeah, I got some of those little bottles last couple weeks ago. It was a Jim Beam, and it had jalapeno and honey flavour. It was like a, you gotta try one. They have it. It's almost like a cinnamon red thingy that people drink, but it's just a tad bit spicier. But the honey is just a perfect one. It's like $40. You can't have a whole lot of it. It's probably hard. Pumpkin water. My baby's gonna get her drink on tonight.
The HD Pro Plus has auto power on and off, so you never need to remember to turn it on. It comes with built-in GPS. Simply use software on the PC to view alongside a map. Sony Exmor sensors are included for exceptional night vision. This camera comes with live zoom, supports up to 64 GB Class 10 memory card. Today we're unboxing the HD Pro Plus camera from WheelWitness. When you get your HD Pro Plus camera, you'll see it arrive in this great packaging. Open it up and you'll find your camera displayed right on top. Simply remove the camera and you'll have access to all the additional parts and pieces that WheelWitness has included. You'll find your suction cup mount, your USD power cord, a USB power connector, an additional cord. You'll also have your micro SD memory card. First, you start by removing the suction cup mount. You'll notice the plastic film on the back. Simply remove that, then you'll place it onto the windshield behind the rear view mirror. Apply gentle pressure to remove air bubbles and create a smooth seal. Prior to mounting your dash cam, you'll open up your memory card holder. You'll grab your smallest SD HD memory card and remove it from the package. You'll insert it into the bottom of the camera and press it in until it clicks. Next, you'll take your HD dash cam and mount it using the swivel arm already attached to your windshield. You'll notice the port on top that easily attaches. Simply slide it in until it clicks and feels secure. Next, you'll grab the USB power adapter and plug it into your vehicle's port. You'll notice it's connected to power when the red light illuminates. Next, you'll take your power cable, identify the USB connector end, and plug it in to your power source. You'll take the small end and attach it directly to the side of your camera. You'll know it's attached to power when it automatically turns on and the red light illuminates at the top. You're now ready to start using your HD Pro Plus Premium Dash Camera from WheelWitness.